Hi everybody, Dean Jacks from iDesign Solutions. We've gotten a lot of calls and emails from parents and even teachers that are parents, looking for STEM activities for their kids. So we've got some really great products that won't break the bank that are available right now. If you're looking for something along the lines of Arduino, we've got some great kits. We've got the basic kit. We've got the advanced kit, which just comes with so much more. It comes with a stepper motor, ultrasonic rangefinder, and a whole lot more in the way of sensors and components. And then my personal favorite is Sensor Basics. So this one comes with a whole slew of sensors and all of the cables that they can just connect these sensors together really easily. They also come with extra components, breadboards, etc. They each come with a book, which is full color and includes all the diagrams, all the coding, and all the lessons they need to do to have success. If you're worried that maybe your students are not really good with wiring, or your kids are not really good with wiring, things like that, there is another option, and that is the OSub Stem Kit. This is a great kit because there's no wiring. Everything's there. There is an Arduino right down here in the corner that they just plug into the computer, and then with simple jumper cables, they can get going really quick, and you don't have that whole issue of wiring. All of these items are available now. We can drop ship right to your door. Hope everybody's having a great day. Stay safe.